Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today we're diving into part 2 of our Windows 11 keyboard shortcut series. These shortcuts are perfect for beginners who want to work smarter and faster. Ready to learn? Let's jump in. Need to tweak some settings? Just press Windows I to open the settings menu instantly. No more searching for it. Next is Windows R. This opens the Run dialog box. Just press Windows R, type a command, and hit Enter. It's super useful for advanced users and quick tasks. Want to find something on your computer? Press Windows S to open the search bar. Type what you're looking for, and Windows 11 will help you find it. Here's a powerful one. Windows X. Press Windows X to open the Quick Link menu. This gives you access to tools like the Task Manager, Device Manager, and more. Need to take a screenshot? Press Windows Shift S to open the snipping tool. Highlight the area you want to capture, and it's saved to your clipboard. So easy. If you're working with multiple screens, Windows P is your best friend. Press Windows P to switch between display modes, like Extend or Duplicate. Perfect for presentations. Press Windows plus to zoom in on your screen using the magnifier tool. Great for detailed work or presentations. Want to see all your open apps? Press Windows Tab to access Task View. This lets you see everything you're working on and even create virtual desktops. Having trouble with an app? Use Control-Shift-Escape to open the Task Manager directly. It's faster than the usual Control-Alt-Delete. And finally, press Alt-F4 to quickly close the current window. If no windows are open, it brings up the shutdown menu. Super efficient. And that's it. Those are 10 more essential keyboard shortcuts for Windows 11. Try them out and you'll be working faster in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 3. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.